Hey guys, Souljah here. Just letting you know, got so far PocoPhone F1. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. And tell you what, this is like the global version. So in India they say Poco F1, but around the world, like UK, USA, PocoPhone F1. Yeah. Global version. Yes. So let me just zoom out. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so as you can see, these are uh, technical specs on the back to show you what the phone comes with. Yeah, so it comes with dual SIM slot, dual standby, FDD LTE forward slash TDD dash LTE. Yeah, Dolby CDMA. Yeah, which is 3G in other words, and yeah, GSM in other words 2G. Yeah, so this comes with um Qual Qualcomm Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. Yeah, up to 2.8 gigahertz with AIE 845. It comes with liquid cooling system, industry leading thermal performance. Yeah. It comes with AL dual camera, dual pixel autofocus. Yeah, so at the front camera it's 20 megapixel, and the the front camera, yeah. So the selfie camera and the back camera, I believe it's 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, so that'll be 17 megapixels altogether. Yeah, so it comes with two cameras at the back. Yeah. I also got the IR face unlock, similar to what you get on a iPhone X. Yeah. And then this battery right here is 400 million apps per hour. Yeah. High capacity battery, quadcom quick charge 3.0. Yeah, so it's 900 million apps hour per hour. Yeah, more than the iPhone XS Max. Yeah. So, and also it comes with, yeah, a USB Type C adapter. Yeah, so wait, no, my bad. Why am I saying that? It's trying to say the flipping USB adapter. The one. Oh yeah, the power adapter. Sorry. Yeah, to charge your phone. Yeah, with the USB Type C cable. Yeah, yeah, it comes with SIM inject tool. Yeah, yeah, similar. Yeah, the similar tool you get in an iPhone. Yeah, and yeah, and similar tool with Samsung Galaxy smartphones nowadays. Nowadays, yeah, user guide. Yeah, you see. And what else? Oh yeah, so it comes with 6 gigabytes of 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which is pretty good. Yeah, yeah. Compared to my current phone, I've got the Alcatel K5000. It, it it got 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Yeah, and somehow the phone's just becoming slow. Yeah, for some reason. Cause even though I remove good amount of apps, yeah, off my phone, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, yeah, the phone's still being slow. And another thing I realized is that YouTube app keeps on crashing. Yeah, non-stop. Yes, so now, but anyway, let's get to the point of the phone. Yeah, be right back. Alright guys, let's see what the phone looks like. Yeah, okay, so this is like the layout of the box. Yeah, I believe this is the quick user guide. I'm just gonna put this one side. Yeah, and this is the PocoPhone F1. Wow, they look so beautiful. Like, let me just take out like this. Yeah, hey, see, it's very similar to the iPhone X. I mean, bigger than the iPhone X. It's like similar size to the X Max. Yeah, just an inch away. Yeah, you know. Yeah, it got like a bit of bezel at the bottom, but it's alright. Because compared to my Alcatel phone, it's just, I think this is just a small difference. Yeah, as you can see that the screen is bigger than the phone I'm using now, which is pretty great. Yeah, because this one is 5.7 inch screen, and this one is 6.1 inch screen. I mean 6 point, 6.2. Yeah, one of the two. Yeah. And a good thing, oh yes, that it got the IR right here, and the camera, and compared to my mom's got the front camera and the flash. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm back again. So, oh yes, I was saying. So, this is what the PocoPhone looks like next to a Alcatel K5000. Yeah, I mean, it's a brilliant look. Yeah, it's a bit bigger than my phone. Yeah, my current phone. Yeah, so alright, so let's go to accessories. So this is the quick charge they gave me, and this is I believe this. Oh yeah, this is the Euro version. Yeah, adapter. So let me just try to make it a bit clear for you guys. So as you can see, um, you can see. Oh yeah, Xiaomi power adapter. Yeah, and it got the output. Alright, so the output is 1.5. Yeah, amps. So base. So if you want, so no wait. Oh, that's only for. No, wait. That's only for if I. Wait, that's if I got 12 volts. So. That's funny. But anyway. Yeah, so this is the plug. Yeah, I hope they sent me the Euro. I mean the UK laptop. If not, no worries, because I got a plug which allowed me to charge the phone. Yeah, so this is the USB cable. Yeah, so as you can see, USB Type C. Yeah, pretty good. This is the same tool. Yeah, the same tool right here. Yeah, what you normally get in an iPhone and Samsung smartphone. Yeah, and then I think that's all it. Let me just double. Yeah, that's all it really. Oh yeah, so yes, the user guide, of course. So let's open it. Okay. So this is just a user guide, as you can see. Yeah, PocoPhone F1 user guide. Yeah, it's just like information telling you how to use it and how to insert your SIM card, memory card. Yeah, yeah. And if anything happens to the phone, yeah, it gives you information about it. Yeah, so this is the quick guide. So basically, this is the diagram. The volume buttons, power button. Yeah, USB Type C port at the bottom. Yeah, as you can see, it's at the bottom. Yeah, so I'm at the bottom here. Yeah, similar to the iPhone X. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, I believe that is stereo speaker. Yeah, this is the back of the phone. Yeah, you know, and this is the side, the right side. So you got the volume buttons, power button. Yeah, and the top. Oh yeah, headphone jack. Yeah, and this alpha side is just the SIM tray here. Yeah. You'll need a SIM tool. You to open it. Yeah. All right, let's just put it one side. Oh yeah, and this is the case. Yeah, the gel case. Oh, let's have a look. Okay, so it's a black case, I believe. Yeah, black gel case. Yeah, so yes, so it prevent me from getting scratched on the phone. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna end this video here. Yes, so I'll let you guys know how the phone goes. Yeah, and give you an update on it. Yeah, in the next video. Then hopefully I will see you guys soon. Alright, and best of love. Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, I'm out.